Welcome to this online presentation by TaxClever, the bookkeeping and taxation specialists. My name's Fiona Heritage, and for the many people who need to complete a tax return, I'm going to give you some quick tips and advice to help you prepare to do it yourself. Many people leave completing their return to the last minute, but find it takes them longer than they think to get the information together, and then, with the rush at the end of the year, are late and receive a penalty. So don't wait, get it sorted with my 5 quick steps. Set up your user ID. Find that all-important letter from the revenue. It looks like this. In the top right-hand corner is your UTR, Unique Taxpayer Reference. You'll need this later. Visit the Revenue website www.hmrc.gov.uk. It should look like this. In the top left-hand corner, you'll find the Do It Online button. This is where you log on, or if you're a new user, click the Register New User button. Follow the instructions which will ask for that UTR and national insurance number or postcode. This will then set you up with a user ID. It'll appear on the screen, so jot it down because you'll need that later. They'll send you an activation code in around 10 days. Once you receive this, log back into the Revenue website. Using that user ID you've got, enter the activation code, and this will then set you up to use the online services. While we're waiting for that activation code to come, we can look at step 3, income and expenses. Your income. Make a list of all the sources of income you have. Do you have pay from employment? Company benefits? Do you let a property out? Or are you self-employed? What about bank interest, building society interest? Did you receive any of these? And if they're a joint account, make sure you make a note of this. You might have had a payment from company dividend. Now, what about those expenses you've got? Make a list of any expenses that relate to that income. Did you pay professional subscriptions? If you had a property income, what did you have to pay out? And if you were self-employed, you'll need to find a copy of your company or business accounts. Private pension payments, did you make anything like that? Add everything to the list that you've paid out. There's a couple of other things you need to consider. Child benefit. If you had an income of over 50,000 and received child benefit, you need to show the child benefit on the return, so add it to the list. And if you're a higher rate taxpayer and made gift aid payments to charities, add these to the list as well. They help to reduce your overall tax liability. Now that we've got our list, we need to find all the information that give us the exact figures that you'll need. Find the paperwork such as interest certificates, that P60 if you were employed, P11D that shows your company car benefits, any charity payment receipts you've made, share dividends, and don't forget those all-important expenses. Find all the receipts for the things you paid. Now we're ready to actually complete the return online. We need to log back onto the Revenue website using that ID you've got. Click the Self-Assessment Online button. This will bring up the return. It looks very much like a paper return. Simply ask the questions on the return, and as you go through, you have the option to save the return, just in case you need to leave it and come back later. At the very end of the return, you'll also be asked if you want to save a copy of the return. It's important to do this so that you've got it for future reference. Then finally, you'll be given a copy of your tax calculation and also a Click Submit button. Click the Submit, and this then sends a return to the Revenue. You'll get an automatic acknowledgement of the return, so you'll know that they've received it. Finally, don't forget that all-important deadline for getting the returns in. It's the 31st of January 2014. Don't wait till the last minute, as the revenue website can get busy and often has problems. And if you are late, even just 1 day late, they'll charge you that £100 penalty. If you need some extra help, TaxClever can provide a variety of services, not just on tax returns. Give us a ring or email us. Thank you for watching our presentation, and good luck with that return.